These are some Cajun Salmon Bites prepared in my air fryer. Look at the colors. This almost looks like chicken. I'm putting some seasonings together to prepare some Cajun salmon bites in my air fryer. So I'm putting together Cajun seasoning, a little all purpose fish seasoning, smoked paprika, regular paprika. I did not use any salt because these seasonings all have salt, Old Bay, and the whole works. So for me, the air fryer, it does a great job where you reduce a lot of fat intake, where you don't have to be frying your foods in a lot of oil. You can just drizzle a little olive oil on your seasonings to season your meat. I love the air fryer. These salmon bites, I will be doing them in my air fryer at 350 degrees, and I will be doing them on each side between 10 to 15 minutes. So I bought my salmon and I make sure to clean it properly, and it's the wild caught salmon that I bought and will be using to make these Cajun salmon bites. They are the bomb. So here I show you to get the skin off the salmon. You just need to try to trim this off and try to remove as much bone as you want. Then I try to cut away most of the meaty part from the bone because I'll be cutting these in little cubes to make salmon bites. This is really nice. I love salmon, although it's more on the expensive side. I really do love salmon, and I really prepare a lot of salmon. I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel with how I do different styles of salmon. So here I am dicing them in cubes. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. I'm glad you stopped by. Thank you for tuning in. The rule of the game is please make sure you like the video. Please make sure you hit that thumbs up. Please make sure you set your notification bell, drop a comment, and share with others so that others can find their way to my channel. So here I'm using a little vinegar to wash the salmon. Yes, I do wash it with vinegar and a little lemon. I squeeze a little lemon on it. Then I use paper towel to pat dry to get any excess water from out of this. Then I will be seasoning in its entirety with all the seasonings that I mixed in with a little olive oil. And I will show you how I prepared this in my air fryer. Yes, it tasted so good. Delicious. I enjoyed it. I know my family enjoyed it because they asked when I will be doing more. It tasted really good, and just a way to change up the way how we normally do or how we normally prepare foods. I'm trying to give videos to give other persons ideas that I've come up with of my own. I've experimented. I've had errors, trials, but I continue to put the work in to get myself out there to show other ways how Jamaicans incorporate international seasonings into preparing food in another country while also trying to get that Jamaican taste. So I seasoned and I left this for a couple hours. Salmon doesn't take a long while to grab flavor because it already has a little like salty taste. So here is my air fryer and I added no additional grease in it. I just added them to my air fryer. I added the only thing additional that I added on the salmon bites was a little cornstarch. Cornstarch, as I stated in other videos, it is good for like frying foods when we're deep frying foods. It helps to give it like a crisp taste, so it can also be used in the air fryer. And I've used the air fryer to do like wings, and it came out just as good as if you did it in your regular oven. So what the air fryer does, it has like a little cooling agent, because once it's doing it, it's like dripping water. There's a section in it where water is, the like warm water. So it's preparing the food with steam, which is like really, really good. So I love me a air fryer, and I oftentimes use it to do like quick and easy recipes like this Cajun Salmon Bites that I am doing, and I just allow it to stay there for at least a 10-15 minutes, and then I just switch the sides. Look at this. It's just the color for me. The color looks really, really good. And this was like late at night. Look at the color. Looked as if you fry this in your frying pan. With the cornstarch, you will get the best when you're deep frying or you're fried. Do even preparing meals in your oven. You can add cornstarch to it. Yes, this was another lit one you can add to your list of recipes or menus. You probably don't like cooking like I do. I love to cook. I have a passion for it. And years ago, when I was attending high school, this was a particular area that I really, really loved. However, in perfecting my course or in perfecting my skills on this, is you're gonna have failure, you're gonna go through trials, but you continue each time to make the best of whatever situation there is. So don't feel like, oh, you can't cook. Do your thing, try your thing, you never know. On the side, I just made up a little jerk Cajun sauce to go with it. And listen, this was the bomb. Look at them bites. Looking fluffy, the color, everything was like lit. So I did them on both sides, and then I just served this up with a little festival. This could have been eaten with a salad or anything you choose. This was a night dinner. Yes, some Cajun salmon bites. Thank you for watching my video. I do hope that you will like this video. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Please like up the video them. See, I cut to show you the salmon. It's not rare. It is done fully 100%, and I did enjoy this little meal. So see you soon. Stay tuned for another video. Please remember to like up the video, set your notification bell. If you don't mind, sharp, this looks like chicken, but it's not chicken. It's salmon that I prepared. Some Cajun salmon bites, and they were the bomb. Add them to your table for your kids, for your household. Really, really nice meal. Really, really tasty. Stay tuned. Again, welcome to my channel. See you soon in my next video.